Mag Arita kweni Jalup Gavana Kakamega atimo mosa. Jalup Gavana Kakamega Ayub Savula oseyo obila kaluwore kod nek masik timore county no ahinya tok nek japuonjre e katiegruok ma Masinde Muliro University. Kowuoyo tok jopuonjre ma Masinde Muliro bago ng'anyo, Savula okwayo obila mondo med tima pedha ne jonjore kod neno ni jo ohala gi jodak owinjo kata bedo gi rit makare. Nyaka sani owacho ni achija par kod aboro osemaki kokwayo mondo jopuonjre go chupi ogol neno e doho. Omedo ni onge mar tije kod yuto osenyayo weche mag njore e gwenge makono.
We have found an engineer fifth here in Mus, Patrick, have been also murdered. We have tried to give the details to security, but no any information is being taken. No any action is being taken. And we as comrades, we want to express our tiredness. We are tired.
The university has tried. With the places where the students reside, that is Kefingo, Koromatangi and Lupe. The university has installed security lighting systems to curb the problem of insecurity. So we don't have the problem with the school. But the problem, it comes with the police. They are not doing their work.
Tumekuwa na mkutano na County Commissioner of Police. Jana usiku mtoto wa university ameuawa Kakamega town. Kijana mwingine tena wa university amekatwa saa hii kwa General Hospital Kakamega kule. Tumemalizana na security meeting na nimeinstruct county commander wa polisi leo usiku kuanzia saa 3 hakuna bodaboda kuoperate, watu wafanye msako, wale watu wameua mtoto wa university washikwe hivi leo. Na sasa hivi naongea, nimekuwa nikipigia simu nikiwa hapa, wale wameua mtoto wa university huyo